Good morning. So today, there's nothing that you actually have to do. There's nothing required for today because what I'm doing today is I'm looking at y'all's rough drafts from yesterday and I'm leaving feedback. I'm making sure that everything looks good. I'm letting you know if anything needs to be changed for your final draft, and then I'm returning that to you. So I'm going to be busy all day doing that, essentially. While I'm doing that, because you can't work on your final draft yet, what I would suggest is you work on the Unit 2 study guide. So we do, again, have our test this Friday. Um, so I would just take this day to complete this because it'll give you some extra credit on that test as well as help you prepare for that test, right? So let me just go ahead and open these up for y'all, just in case you didn't do the Unit 1 study guide and you're not sure what this looks like. So first of all, this Google slide basically just includes all the various slides from previous days, right? Previous days in this unit. It just includes all that information, and I took out all the extra stuff, right? Anything having to do with like, you know, a reading that you would have to do and then answer questions for, any of that kind of stuff, right? I took it out because it's not really relevant. Instead, what you're doing is you are using this Google slide to help fill in. Let's get that out of the way. To help fill in your study guide here, right? Your fill in the blank study guide. So if you did the rough draft yesterday, like you hopefully did, you already know how to use this essentially, where it's like you're typing in the brackets, right? And so, like if something is blank, that means is related to the government and its actions. You would type in the word political. Now, unlike yesterday, right? In your rough draft, obviously you would have to do sometimes complete sentences, and sometimes you're writing a whole lot in these blanks. For the Unit 2 study guide, it's only ever one word, right? It's never more than one word that you are filling in, okay? And you're going to find these words in the Google slide, right? And it goes in the same order, right? So it goes in the order of the slides. You wouldn't have to be jumping like from here to here and then back to here to answer these or anything like that, right? I try to keep it in the same order. Obviously, it's not like one thing for each slide, but it is following that same order. But yeah, like I said, pretty simple. You don't have anything else to do for my class, so you might as well. But of course, if you have other things you need to do, if you got other work that you're behind on for other classes, feel free to do that, right? It's totally up to you. But yeah, that is it. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you later.